Tell me story. Tell me every detail.
I woke up.
From where?
From a nightmare.
What was it about? Then,
Me and the lads took care of a bit of business.
Hold up, back up. You've left something out.
Are you writing a book? They all lived happily ever after.
No, they didn't either. Because for the first time, there's something you don't know. Something nobody told you.
You wanted a prophecy? This is your prophecy.
Young man came from hunting, faint and weary.
I know what kind of a man you are.
What is there, my lord, my dearie?
I know your story.
Behold, the man who pulled sword from stone.
I'm not getting drawn into this mess. There's an army of you. There's only one of me. I'll talk, but there is no way that I am fighting.
This young man, he died fair soon by the light of the hunter's moon. Not by bow, nor yet by blade.
So what happens now?
You know what happens now. You're quickly becoming a legend.